Hello there, this is me, Mr. Araz, class teacher of 3rd A. Welcome back. Today we're going to cover spelling, pages 68 to 73. We will be talking about easily misspelled words. You might have questions about the topic. Okay, hold on. I would like to say that most of you know a lot of words. You know how to pronounce them, you know their meanings, but the problem starts when it comes to writing. You might misspell them, you might not write them correctly. So in this lesson, we're going to cover this problem. Stay with us. Well, what I have written here, they are some common spelling mistakes that I would like to start the lesson by. Of course, there are many of them, but I use these as an example. And they are not found in the book. These words, they are being used a lot, and we use them a lot too. We know their meanings, the way they are pronouncing, but when we start writing them, we make mistakes, we misspell them. So to avoid that problem, we have to remember how to spell each word correctly. Now, have a look at the words that I crossed and the words that I ticked with the green color. So, but before explaining them, I want you to pause the video and think about them to find out the difference. Like why I crossed these ones, why they are misspelled, what is the difference between these two. Great. Now let's start with the first one. Beginning. You might think that beginning it's spelled like this with double G and one N, but it's not like that. That one is incorrect. The correct spelling is beginning with one G and double N at the beginning of the lesson, for example. One thing that we have to remember, we shouldn't forget that the way the words are spelling is different than the way they are pronouncing. For example, here, believe. We have EI, but the correct form is what IE. I believe you are a genius, that's why you study at KGS, Kur Genius Private School. The next one, a lot. There should be space between A and a lot. Look, there should be here the space. That one is the correct spelling. I miss you a lot. I miss my school. Hygiene. It's important to get a good hygiene, but most importantly to spell the word correctly. Look, this is EI and that one is IE. So look, the difference is slight. It's like it's not a lot, the difference, but we have to be careful about that. Look, so that one is the correct form. After that we have achieve. Achieve is rhyming the same as believe. Look, and almost the same in this word EI, but the correct form is ACHIEVE. E-V-E, I-E, like this. Achieve means to get something, to get your dream, to get something, like getting your dreams. And the next one is peace. Look, this peace means it's misspelled. We make mistake here. It either means peace people, or it means that piece means a piece of cake or a piece of paper. That one is correct. Tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. Look, you might think, oh, this is double M and one R, but please remember that the word is spelled like this: one M and double R. Calendar, do you think that word is correct? Of course not, because here instead of E we should have A. February. Some people, they don't misspell the word only, they also don't know how to pronounce it. February, you have to say February, and it's spelled like that: February. And the last one is weird. Did you see that man? He looks so weird. Okay, so it's like that. I-E, it's misspelled, so the correct form is E-I. Look, we have to really remember how to spell them. We might know them orally, like we know them, we pronounce them, but the problem is with the spelling, because we misspell them sometimes. Dear students, here we've got more examples from your book, page 68. I still remember when you had dictation in spelling, some of you misspelled some words. You didn't know how to spell words. That's why you had problems. Because knowing the word, its pronunciation, like its meaning, is not enough. And you have to know that the way they are spelled is quite different than the way they are pronounced or they sound. So we have to remember to spell each word correctly. Here, for example, we have these examples, like for example, done. This is the correct form, the correct spelling. We shouldn't spell done this way, or other this way, or always this way, or never this way. The only key, the only way we have to know is just to remember them. This is true for all of the examples as well. For example, learn, favorite, again, work, picture. Look, picture here is pronounced this way. It's quite wrong.